Good morning. Water covers almost 75% of the Earth's surface. Water on Earth. 97.5% of the Earth's water is salt water. Human life depends on water. Seafaring is one of the oldest professions on the earth. Life out at sea is very different. All the seafarers know SOLAS, S-O-L-A-S, safety of life at sea. And they do follow the rules and regulations. Seafaring is the profession which needs continuous discharge of duties. Shipping industry has progressed from sailboats to giant, very large ships, carrying the cargo 3.5 lakh tons or more at a time and delivering it safely to the destinations all around the world. But as the shipping industry has grown and advanced in machinery and equipments, the number of persons placed on board reduced drastically. The crew strength to handle the ship has reduced from about 67 crew to about 22 or 16 crew members. That is possible because of automation and modern engineering. Even the ships are tracked now 24/7. Looks like safety is increased out at sea. But now there is more workload on the ship's crew. Up to or during 80s, the means of communication for individual was the mail, the handwritten piece of paper. People eagerly used to wait for the mailbag, each and every port. The mail received after months together. It was an emotionally filled moment, connecting with the home, homeland, friends and families. Then, after reading the mail, everybody will plan to make a phone call, depending on the duty hours and the shore leave timings. Few can connect with their dear ones on phone. Searching the phone facility and then getting the affordable price was a big thing. The official communication of the ship was done using radio telegraph. For that, radio officer was on board. Later, during the digital age year 2000 onwards, almost everybody could talk on mobile phone when in the port or ashore. For emergencies, you can use ship's sat phone to talk with family and friends. But still, the regular mailbag was there and people could use it. Nowadays, during the recent years, you have the Wi-Fi and access to internet and social media sites. So, one can be daily in touch with the people on land. The life on ship is very, very busy, both out at sea and inside the port. This cannot be explained. If you meet somebody, just try to know from him. Saturday is the busiest day. Saturday routines are carried out on this day. All the emergency equipments are tried out. All the safety checks are done. Emergency preparedness is checked. Emergency drills are carried out. Saturday is really busy day. Then comes Sunday. In fact, there is no Sunday. It is the Sunday on calendar. People are at work and busy carrying out their duties. But to break the routine, This Sunday is smoothened out. It is planned in such a way that minimum work and maximum rest. There are Sunday parties either during afternoon or in the evening, or some games or events are arranged, just to keep the ship happy and smiling, socializing and gathering, being human, more human. Thank you.